Morning, guys. It's like February 22nd. I think this is what, Wednesday? This is a Wednesday. And I won't say the morning is good because I am like really tired. Like, I was up late last night. I mean, some of them went out. And so parts I decided to stay home, but still I didn't go to sleep because I was just, you know, watching TV or watching something on my laptop and have a bag of things. And trust me, it just feel like somebody put me to bed, go to sleep, wake up. That's how I feel. Just feels like I just get something. Yo, enough of that. Anyway, we're heading to Mobile today, and I just here eating some cereal. What's this, gold cereal or whatever. Usually I like eating my cereal kind of soggy, and this one is like severely crunchy, but for some reason it's really good. So I'm just gonna mash that up. And if you guys don't see, right now I don't even want to drive. Like, I just want to get the van on the highway and say, somebody go for it, take over this vessel, because yo, I'm just so tired. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Okay.
Oh my god.
It begins. Cause it never ended.
Dude, what time did you get in last night?
I just got back 30 minutes ago.
30 minutes ago? And you're so awake?
See, what? No,
This is some BS.
That's not good.
High off of the Jamaican vibe.
Okay, what? That doesn't help.
It's called life, people. I'm here to
Being
live it.
high off of the Jamaican vibe should make you tired.
Oh no, I don't actually like. I think we're talking about different vibes.
Okay, well.
Talking about two different things. Yeah, I had the most fun I've ever had in my entire life. The
Wow.
most fun ever. Everyone's so beautiful. I'm sorry.
Right now my bed was so beautiful.
I love that.
I know I'm so beautiful. You didn't.
I love that so much.
No,
I'm gonna sleep.
there's no balls. I don't want that. You're
Yeah.
good shooters.
Okay. Yeah, what's happening? You're telling me something about like what?
Well, some people are poisonous.
Okay.
An example of that in my life is my ex-girlfriend.
Mm-hmm.
Mercedes.
Why is she listening to us? Let's go.
And basically she said that I was using her for street cred and all this stuff, and it's been stressing me out a lot lately. And it's annoying because now my Instagram DMs are just full of kids from school, and it's like none of that crap is true. Just like I don't know, that kind of reputation surrounding me as if I'm just like a jerk or something. But no, I gotta squad down, clear that out. And I'm too tired to do any of that at the moment, and I probably will be in the future.
So you see, the funny thing is, like, this dude is like only 13 years old, and like there are like stresses, you know, like bullying situations and stuff, because that's probably a form of bullying, right?
Yeah.
You think so? Exactly.
In a way, it's cyberbullying because she said a lot of that stuff on Instagram.
Exactly. Stop the bullying, or else
Basta de bullying.
basta the bullying, or else we are going to bring out the cannon. So like right now, guys, it's like 7:30, and we were supposed to be out of here like at 6 o'clock, which is an idea of mine, which is kind of stupid, because like I know everyone wouldn't have gotten up at that early anyway. But anyhow, I woke up at like 6:30, and I got everything together, and now we're still waiting on the others to like be done. So they're streaming in slowly, and we should be on the road soon. And unfortunately, we're gonna be stuck in this bus again that smells like ass. Like seriously, it smells like ass. And it's been that way from the first day. I don't know why. I think maybe like someone spilled something in the bus. Well, the previous persons or something, and like the company didn't really do like a super clean on it. You know what I'm saying? So yo, it's horrible. And yeah, so we're just here anyway, still waiting on, I don't know how we're gonna make it through this whole trip in this ass. I think, okay. Like, I thought we were just about to have action and we were about to go, but like, she took the keys. So that's gonna be maybe another 30 seconds. Damn it. Thank you. We're back in action. Megatron, initiate.
Wait, don't count on it, not yet.
Why? Ow!
Not until all the doors are closed.
Oh yeah, right?
The haunted station.
I know that traffic can make me feel really sleepy. Damn. So we're here, and my grandmother don't know that you come as yet to visit. So right now, don't know. I got surprise her auntie. Hopefully we can catch it live and direct. Esther? You mean who that? Lord have mercy. My mother's plants. She has some really interesting plants, like yo, different, yo, crazy. Like so many different stuff. Oh, look at this one. She just collects like really random plants. I love them. Grandma.
Me sick like a dog, yeah, man.
Oh, God. Yeah, I see.
God, me there, man. Sick like a dog. Sick. Pain in my skin, you know. Jesus, have His mercy, man. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Now squeeze me up at all. Oh, man. Jesus, kingdom. Lord have His mercy. Oh, you good?
Yeah.
God, man, funny. I know. Oh, Jesus. Oh, what we tell, man?
Oh, Mama.
I missed you too. Jesus, me not even talk to this one. You good? You good?
Yeah.
Give Grandma a hug.
Jesus, I'm
Give Grandma some love.
Jesus,
She fuss, but she love you.
I tell you, man, titty man.
It get better, Mama. It get better. It get better, Mama.
Oh, God, Jesus, boy.
It's okay, Mama.
So, like, as I said that just now, kind of emotional, you know. Like, grandparents, they've been with you from your small and stuff, and then
I know.
you kind of grow away from them for a while and like you've never been back in a long time. But I try to always visit and stuff. It's been a minute since I visited. It's almost a year. May was the last time I was here, but I always try to visit. I always try to call my grandmother. I always try to help in some way. So yeah, you know. So that's pretty much it right now. We just got into Montego Bay. I don't know what we're gonna do, but the first thing definitely is going to be like food, cause like we're really hungry, like we're mad hungry right now. So that's the pre right now. So just hang around and we'll see what happens. So here's a picture of my mom when she was around my sister's age. Of course, with my sister, and this is me here. Yo, I don't know, my mom has always documented stuff, you know, which I really appreciated. She always documented us by having pictures. So like, I've had a picture maybe like every single year, and for me that's like really special, you know. It kind of just brings you back and it's just like, yo, channel. This is where I'm coming from and it just makes it so nostalgic. That's probably be like a little reason why I've now developed that whole love for just doing videos and stuff. Because I know looking back at this the next 10 years or 15 years, when my kids look at it, it's going to be like, yo, channel, daddy, you know, you used to do some really cool stuff or stuff, you know. My sister's high school doll, like their graduation doll, pretty much. I think this is from my mom's trip to Japan or something like that. And of course, it's us again. That's a little big boy up top there, so that's me. Up there, that's my little sister.
It's so long and anything not happen, me not say anything what happened to me again.
Right.
And we say, by God's mercy, nothing is going to wrong with me. And he still they say, what a wicked woman to himself.
And here we have some of my mom's other plants too. She has some really weird and rare plants. Well, for us in Jamaica, they're not so common. But let me show you something more intricate. Isn't that a little bit strange? She's just standing up out there. She's just standing up there. But trust me, she's trying to get as much sun as she can. Yep, she's looking for the sun. Yep. It goes to show how persons like really appreciate the sun that we have here. Right?
Yes.
Because in New York, what is it like now?
Shit.
Malachi, what did you say to the bee that tried to get you?
I'm not a flower.
So I'm gonna show you a really cool way to get these ladies ready. Whenever you're there waiting too long, just get your keys. Get your keys first, important. Get your car keys. Get in that van and start that engine. Look at them come.
Not having
Everybody's like, oh, don't leave me.
In the meantime, he's cool.
Works all the time. And if you have a very stubborn person that you have to work with, just rev that engine a few times. And trust me, it will work.
You need anything?
Look at this dude. He's like a living meme.